Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your task management with Asana detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. Identify the different sections such as projects, my tasks, and inbox. Create a new project by clicking on the new project button. Select a template that fits your needs or start from scratch. Name your project clearly to reflect its purpose. Set the project's privacy settings according to your team's preferences. Next, add tasks to your project by clicking on the Add Task button. Provide detailed descriptions for each task to enhance clarity. Assign tasks to team members by selecting their names from the drop-down menu. Set due dates for tasks to establish timelines. Utilize sections within your project to categorize tasks. Drag and drop tasks into the appropriate sections to maintain organization. Add subtasks for larger tasks that require multiple steps. Use custom fields to track specific metrics or statuses relevant to your project. Implement priority levels for tasks to indicate urgency. Integrate file attachments to tasks for easy access to relevant documents. Utilize the comments section for team communication related to specific tasks. Explore Asana's timeline feature for a visual representation of project deadlines. Adjust deadlines and dependencies in the timeline view as needed. Monitor progress by checking task completion statuses regularly. Generate project reports to analyze productivity and identify bottlenecks. Encourage team members to update their task statuses frequently. Make use of Asana's notification settings to stay updated on project changes. If applicable, use integration options with other tools like Google Drive or Slack. Set recurring tasks for activities that happen regularly to automate planning. Review your project periodically and adjust tasks and priorities as necessary. Leverage Asana's mobile app for task management on the go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.